Well, it is going to be Mardi Gras tea station time. Now, I just cleared everything out of this corner and now I'm going to wipe everything down, start with a clean slate, and see what we're going to do today. As you can see, I have wiped down this drain board area where I always put my tea station, and I just dried it off because I had just wiped it down and I wanted it to be dry. Now let's see if I can get it put together for Mardi Gras, and let's see how it's going to look. I'm tucking the labels under, deciding what I like, or if I'm going to like it better just leaving one. Maybe one's better. I don't want to end up making something uneven and maybe something falling over from because of it. Okay, let's see what we're going to put next. Okay, I have this tea stand that I got from my granddaughter with the tea set that she gave me, and I use this all the time for displays. I think it looks beautiful, elevating the teapot, but that's just my opinion. Everybody else has their own opinions, what they want to do. Now let me go see what I want to do now. This teapot my daughter gave me. Of course, in this picture you can't even see it. I guess Grandma's going to have to adjust everything and see how it works out. Still trying to decide how I want to elevate everything. So I don't want my teapot getting broke. So we're going to try putting the florals in first. Now I want to show you before I get all this stuff, because I'm not getting a very good angle at everything. But this gives you an idea how the florals are all going to be. And why is that jar of candy there? To help support the mask. At least that's what our plan is. We'll see. Okay, let's see if we can get this in here and see how it's going to look. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Give me some comments in the comment section. As you can see, I'm not doing a very good angle at some of these these angles, so I'll be moving it around quite a bit to give you a better picture of what I've done. Now that I've stabilized everything, hopefully, we're going to carefully put this teapot in here so it doesn't fall over and break. This is just for display use only, because I can promise you I would not leave that teapot like that on for a month or so. Be afraid it'd fall over and break and I'd be crying. But at least now I've given enough height to the teapot where you can see it. The mask is so big. I'm really happy so far. Let me know what you think. Now I brought over my beautiful gold salad plates. I have a pair of them here, and they both have a beautiful piece of homemade cake on it. Doesn't it look wonderful? And I don't know if you notice, it's green. And look at the rainbow in the plates. Are they not beautiful? And they pick up all the colors of Mardi Gras. Oh, this is perfect, perfect. What do you think? Leave me a comment in the comment section. See how all the colors match? Just perfect. I don't have any gold cups or saucers, or I don't have anything purple yet. These are things, accessories that I'm going to look for this coming year. So anyway, I just used what I already owned and had, the white cups. The white goes with everything. But my goal is sometime in this next year to get some beautiful gold or purple or lavender cups. Thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I'm sure next year it will look even better because I will have picked up a few nice accessories for this tea station. You know, Grandma does everything very simple and not too overdone. This is a very tiny space. I am surprised and shocked I got as much in here as I did. So let me know what you think. Just did some simple cups and saucers. I know they don't look great, but that's what I had. And like I keep telling you, don't go in debt for your channel. Buy something new every year. So next year, you will look forward to seeing what I come up with. And I'm sure I will have something much nicer for this tea station. The teapot, I think I'm going to reuse again next year because I think it looks perfect for this setup. I love the mask. I love my little Mardi Gras guy. And everything is perfect. And I probably will make some kind of cake similar to this because even it looks perfect to me. You can see how the green pops up off that plate with all the rainbows all about it. Isn't it gorgeous? Perfect for Mardi Gras. The colors are gorgeous. These are the only things I need to worry about. Just picking up a few new pieces each year and not spending a lot of money and not going into debt. Hope you enjoyed my Mardi Gras tea station. Until next year, hugs and kisses until the next Mardi Gras season comes our way. Hope you enjoyed what I put together today. Don't forget, we have a Mardi Gras tablescape coming up, and make sure that you come and watch it. This is being hosted by, well, don't forget now, we are going to have the Mardi Gras tablescape February the 16th, hosted by our awesome creative Miss Me with Stephanie's. And make sure you come over and join in. And if you don't want to join in, please come and watch all the awesome creative videos that are going to be up there, and please watch the playlist. Right now, I'm just giving you a sneak peek of what you're going to see on my tablescape. Just a few of the items that will be repurposed over there. Now, I didn't write any of them off on this coffee and tea station for the simple reason I wrote the whole cost off on my tablescape. And that will not be up until February the 16th. Be sure you go over and check out and see what everyone comes up with. My awesome friends. Don't forget, Stephanie is an awesome, awesome creator, and we need to go and support her as much as possible because she's awesome. Well, kisses and hugs. Thank you for stopping by and seeing my Mardi Gras tea station today. Don't forget, February 16th is going to be the Mardi Gras tablescape, and we want to be supportive to all our fellow and awesome sisters, creators out there that joined in and made awesome videos. Kisses and tugs.